This video, we are going to see how to make a simple mobile application. That is a mobile app named Dancing Panda. So here you have a title and an image that shows a panda, and we have two buttons. One says dance and another one says stop. So when I click dance, my panda starts dancing. So now when I click stop, now the panda stops dancing. So it just takes 5 minutes to build this application. So I'm going to start from scratch. So just keep watching this video. Right. Now to start with, I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to use a platform called Thunkables. So I'm going to type thunkable.com, the address bar. So I'm going to click login. And I'm going to log in using my Gmail credentials. So it takes some time to load. Well, after this, I need to click create a new project that is towards the right. Now I'm going to give the project name as Dancing Panda. And the category type is entertainment. Now I'm going to click create. After that, the computer takes some time to build the project. Now it takes me to the new page. Well, we are here on the page, on an empty page where a screen being displayed here. So the initial page looks like an empty one. So we need to add the components, the UI components that are required for our project. So as we saw in our demo, we need a title and an image and two buttons. First, I'll start by giving a background to the screen. So here at the right-hand side, I have an option called background. Here I'm going to click a background. Yeah, I'll go with this one. Right. So after that, I'm going to add a title. For that, I need to click label. I need to just drag and drop this label and place it on screen. I'm going to bring this in the middle so that it looks good. Right, towards the right, after clicking this label, towards the right, I have the option of changing the title name. So I'm going to delete the label and I'm going to name it as Dancing Panda. Right. And I'm going to make this as a bold to look darker. I'm going to increase the size to 25. Right. And I want this to be in white in color to be displayed. I'm going to select white here in color. Next, I'm going to bring this in the middle. I have the option of reducing the size. Once I've done, I'm going to bring this into the middle and place it here. Next, I'm going to bring this image, place it here. Well, so we have got our image display. And then I'm going to add 3 files for this image. So this image UI component uh, can hold any type of image files, and also it can hold a MP3 file also. So I'll show you how. So here in the picture we have it has been stated that no file source. So in that I'm going to click here. I'm going to upload a file. So I have the music to be played while the Santa is dancing. And then we have a Dancing Panda GIF file. And this one is a just a JPEG file. So I'm going to select all the three and click open. So once I do that, my files will get added in this list here. I'll tell you how to bring it to the screen later. First, we will start adding the buttons, two buttons that are left. So I'm going to add button 1. Right. So we have got the button 1. You can change the button color also. Now I'll just leave it as it is. I'm going to name it as dance. And I'll keep this as bold. Right. I'll just increase the size a little. Right. Now I'm going to bring another button. Place it here. Right. I'm just checking whether it has been all these buttons and images, all the UI components are aligned in the same line. Right. So now here I'm going to name this as stop. And I'm going to increase the size to 19 and keeping it as bold. Right. So we have added all the UI components. Now it's time to bring the images to the screen. So to do that, we need to code. Here, Thunkable provides an easy option of just drag and droppable code called block coding. I hope you're familiar with block coding. So here to add the block codes, I'm going to click the blocks. Right. So now, so once I do that, I'll be starting, I'll start adding the code that I want while the screen starts up. So when screen opens, it means that when uh, the when the Android app or any app that you're going to create opens. Now, here I'm going to click the screen towards the left. So we have that when screen opens, right? Okay, so we, in the design, we saw that there is no image, nothing is being displayed. So let's make the image display on the image component. So to do that, I'm going to click image UI component. So all the functions that are related to uh, the image UI component will be displayed here. So I need to set the image visible. So which one can I select? So I'm going to select this. I'm going to come down, set image visible to true. So now let me check when I'm going to click this web view of our app. All right, so I haven't selected which image to be displayed. So I'm going to click this back to editing. True. So visible is true, but I need to also tell the app which image should be displayed. So I'm going back to image. Here we have set image picture to panda, dancing panda JPG. Right. I'm going to click the web view. Right. Let me check what's the problem here. So I think we have got our display. as you see here. I'll go back to editing. Okay, now I need to go back to the blocks. So when the button is clicked, when the button dance is clicked, that is the button 1 is clicked, I need to make the panda to dance. To do that, I'm going to click the button 1. When button 1 is clicked, okay. Now, again, I'm going to set the image 1 visible to true. I'm just going to duplicate this. Okay, right. And then, as we have added the MP3 file to our project, let me add some music while the panda is dancing. So in order to add that music, I'm going to click the sound, right? Here, I'm going to use play. That I'm going to select the file, Bad Santa, Jingle Bell. Okay, this is our MP3 file. After that, I need to make the panda to dance. Uh, it's very easy that we have already added a GIF file that shows like pandas dancing. So you just need to display that GIF file, so it will look like as if that pandas dancing according to the sound, that is the music. So I'm going back to the image, right? Okay. We are already having the code over here. I'm just going to duplicate. I'm going to put this set image 1 picture to GIF file. So let's go ahead and check. Yeah. Now we have, I'm going to click the dance. Yeah, music started. Why is it not dancing? Let me check. Yeah. Once I refresh the page, the panda started dancing. Right. Okay, now I'm going back to blocks. Now, the final part is to stop the panda to dance. I'm just going to just duplicate this same. Just going to change this to button 2. Right. Okay, I need to display the image visible. I need to set it to true always. I need to remove this. We don't need the music to be played. And I need to set the image. After stopping the music, I need to set the picture to JPEG. Right. So that's it. We have completed our project. Let's go and check it finally, how it looks. Right. We have our dancing panda. Now I'm going to click dance. Right. Stop. Right. Let me refresh. Let me go back and check it again. Yeah. I can see that. Okay. I need to stop the music also. I think I haven't done the code for stopping the music. Let me go back to the design, blocks, back to editing. And then I need to click the sound and we have to stop. We have to use this stop. You can also use pause. Now I'm going to use the Stop Bad Santa Jingle Bell music. That's it. So I think this will work. I'm going to now publish, and I'm going to download it on my mobile phone. I'll show you how to install it on the mobile phone, the same video. Now let me first generate an APK file. That is the Android file that I need. Now I'm going to click share. I'm sorry, I need to click download Android. Yeah, so I'm going to send it to my email ID. So this will be sent, this APK file will be sent to your Gmail ID that you have provided. So you can open this Gmail account on your mobile phone, and you can directly download it from your mail, and it will be saved in your files of your mobile phone, and you can double click on that file, and you can directly download it to your mobile phone. I'll show it